everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So as you can see, we have a guest appearance in this video today, and this is my little Peanut. So hopefully she'll stay through a large portion of the video, but we'll see. So today we are going to talk about the Marc Jacobs Mini Traveler Tote. So this is a purse that I have actually been wanting for quite some time after seeing so many people on social media with it. And then I happened to see this one and I really loved the color. I wasn't too fond of the color on the interior, but I'll show you that after. I got a really good deal on this one. I only paid 395 Canadian for it. So I decided to go for it because it was such a great deal. So this one is the Mini Traveler Tote in the color Lilas. And it's like this nice, like dusty pink color, which I think is absolutely the perfect shade of pink for me. It's got the nice silver hardware here, really nice and shiny silver hardware here. It comes, of course, with a nice cross-body strap with the adjustments there. Or you can take that off and you can just use it with the handholds here. The leather is just so buttery soft. It's such a pliable purse. I just really love the feel of it. So on the front, as you can see, it says the tote bag Marc Jacobs, like all of the tote bags of this style say. And let's open it up. So it has, so I really thought the mini version was just the perfect size for me. The other one, it comes in a medium and a large, I think, which I think are just for my lifestyle are just a little too large. But I really feel like the mini one is just a perfect size for a nice tote bag. So it's got the nice zipper here. So let's open it up. The zipper is very nice and fluid. It's a nice solid zipper, if that makes sense. Like it's not a tiny zipper. It's, as you can see, the pull for the zipper is really big, which I think really makes a difference when you're opening, when you're trying to open and close your purse. It really feels like it's not going to break. It's got this cool magnet on the side here in case you want to put your the end of the zipper on this tab here. I personally prefer to stick it inside, and that's just the way that I prefer to use my bag. On the opposite side of the purse, it just has the Marc Jacobs patch. And another thing to be aware of before we kind of get into the inside here is that this bag does not come with feet. So if that's something that's important to you, that's just something to be aware of. I don't really put my bags down on like tables or on floors. I usually hang them. So it's not really a big deal for me. But if that's something that's important to you, that's just something to be aware of. I don't know about the larger versions. I don't like the medium and the large. I don't know if those come with feet, but the medium one does not. So the one thing that I was, as I mentioned before a little bit, had reservations about this particular color is the interior. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to try and show you as best I can. It is like this, almost like this pea green color, which I think is kind of a strange color for such a beautiful pink purse like this. But in seeing a lot of other Marc Jacobs designs, I know that some of their color combinations of their items can be a little funky. So in that sense, it kind of makes sense to me. So you can fit quite a bit in this bag. Right now I don't have too much in here, but I have a long pink Kate Spade wallet, and I've got my work ID, and I have some lip balms in the little pocket, so it does come with a pocket at the back. I do have, so the phone that I have is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And so that fits in there, of course, very nicely. And you can probably fit like your organizer or some other larger items. You can definitely fit a water bottle in here if that's what you want to do. I tend to not tempt fate enough to put any liquids in my purses, but if that's something that you enjoy carrying around, you can fit that in there. Another good thing is it does come with a dust bag, so it comes with the standard kind of canvasy Marc Jacobs dust bag, which is really great because when I'm storing my purses, I like to store them with the packing materials that it comes with, and also in a dust bag so the purse doesn't get dusty. So that's pretty much it for the Marc Jacobs tote bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos that are similar to this or videos about fashion and beauty, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video.